All right, this is one that's not so fun, but many homes that we go into have just nasty, nasty, icky fish bowls. And while the fish might still be alive, there's this smell, and it's not just a fish smell, but it's a fish plus ick smell, right? And so the fish bowls, and this is something the homeowner can do. You don't need a professional cleaning service for this. The homeowner can do this all on their own. But what we recommend is that you save the life of your fish, put them in another unit, and please, please, please clean out all that scum and all that buildup that's on the inside of your fish container. Because if you have a fish bowl or a fish tank and it looks nasty like that, again, when home buyers walk in and they see that, they smell something, even if the smell is not that strong, right? They're looking at it and their mind says, oh, gross. And so please, please, please keep the things that are like that clear. Sometimes you'll have a plant that's overwatered and the roots will rot and you're smelling this rotted smell and you don't know why. It's the same kind of a smell. It's like this just rotten smell and it doesn't really track back to anything. You're looking around the house like, what is that smell? That's where these little tiny ventilation boxes come in. We've hidden these like in kitchens behind plants where a plant smells bad, or near the garbage disposal, or in other areas where they're common to have nasty smells, right? So if we can highlight those common areas and then try to avoid the smell altogether, then we're not dealing with something that's like this that a customer has to fight with us for, because that's awful.